So here comes my second video log. My title for today is Oil Spill in the Ocean. So basically an oil spill is the release of liquid petroleum into a body of water that is often presenting a hazard into marine life and the environment. Oceanic oil spills became a major environmental problem in the 1960s, mainly as the result of intensified petroleum exploration and production on continental shelf and the use of supertankers capable of transporting tons of oil. Spectacular oil spills from wrecked or damaged supertankers are now rare because of strict shipping and environmental regulation. So do you know how do oil spills happen? Well, it usually happens when oil tankers have equipment faults. It's like when oil tankers break down, the oil tankers may get stuck on shallow land. This is the image of oil tankers stuck on the shallow land. Something like this. And when a tanker is attempted to move out of shallow land, abrasion may cause a hole in the tanker that will lead to large amounts of oil being released into the oceanic bodies. So oil spills also happens when drilling works carried out in the sea. When drilling works carried out in the sea, the oil and petroleum used for such activities are released into the sea, thus causing an oil spill. Other causes of oil spills are spills by petroleum users of released oil. This happens when various water sports or water vehicles such as motorboats and jet skis leak fuel. So now we are gonna talk about the effects of oil spills. There are two categories of the effects in the sea. The first is fauna and the second is the plant. Such oil spills are considered forms of pollution. Oil spills also have highly adverse effects on the environment. These oil spills greatly affect animals, which may in turn sometimes lead to animals getting in danger. Animals may be affected because oil spill may cause hypothermia, which inducing low body temperatures. Oil may also enter the lungs or livers of animals. The animal including seabirds, sea otters, killer whales, and the small organisms living in the sea. Oil spills also affect marine plants. The oil forms a thick layer on the water surface and this layer blocks out light and prevents gaseous exchange. When this happens, the plants will not be able to photosynthesize. They eventually die when they cannot photosynthesize. For the prevention, it has become a major priority and of equal importance. Efforts to contain and remove oil that has spilled are considered to be prevention of secondary spills. The responsibility for the prevention of oil spills falls upon individuals as well as on governments and industries. As the sources of oil waste in the ocean are generally careless rather than accidental, what we need is the truly effective prevention of oil spill.